Correct use of who and whom important for effective communication, professionalism, and a deeper understanding of English grammar. Who. The subject. Role. Who is used as the subject of a sentence or clause. The subject is the one performing the action. Function. It asks about or refers to the person doing something. Examples. Who is going to the store? Here, who is the subject performing the action of going? Who made this cake? Here, who is the subject performing the action of making? Tip. If you can answer the question with he, she, or they, then who is the correct choice? Example. Who is calling? Answer. He is calling. Whom. The object. Role. Whom is used as the object of a verb or preposition. The object is the one receiving the action. Function. It asks about or refers to the person who is the recipient of an action. Examples. Whom did you see at the party? Here, whom is the object of the verb see. To whom did you give the book? Here, whom is the object of the preposition to. Tip. If you can answer the question with him, her, or them, then whom is the correct choice? Example. Whom did you call? Answer. I called him. Formal versus informal use. In everyday speech, many people often use who where whom would be technically correct, particularly at the beginning of sentences. Example, who did you talk to? However, whom is still used in formal writing and certain formal contexts. Summary. Use who when referring to the subject, the one doing the action. Use whom when referring to the object, the one receiving the action. Understanding this difference can help you use these pronouns correctly in both writing and speech, especially in more formal contexts.